So activity 5 will be on unit rates from the first unit, number sense, and algebra. So the first thing we're going to ask ourselves is, what is a unit rate? To do that, we need to distinguish what a rate is. So a rate is a ratio, but it's a ratio in which the two quantities that you're comparing have different units. So the units have to be stated in most cases to avoid confusion. So for example, if a trip of 400 kilometers takes 5 hours to complete, the rate of travel is 80 kilometers per hour. So notice that we're comparing kilometers to hours. When we have a ratio, we're comparing the same things. We would have kilometers to kilometers or hours to hours. So as soon as we take two things with different units and compare them, now we have a rate. A unit is a single quantity and associated with the number 1. 1 hour, 1 kilometer, 1 cent, and $1 are all unit values. So below is a table describing some properties that are measured in unit rates. So here we have another example of a unit rate, 80 kilometers per 1 hour. So rate, rate units, unit and symbol. So speed is given in kilometers per hour, so those are the two units that we use. The unit is per 1 hour, and it's denoted as kilometers per hour, km/h. Food energy is how much calories per cup, so the unit is 1 cup, and it's calories per cup, cal per cup. Fuel efficiency is liters per kilometer, so the unit is 1 kilometer, and it's denoted as liters, capital L, per kilometer, km. Revenue is dollars per ticket or dollars per hour, depending on whether you're working per hour or you're selling something. So the unit is either 1 ticket or 1 hour, and it's dollars per ticket or dollars per hour, depending on the situation. And finally, the best buy, you want to look at grams per dollar or items per dollar, again, depending on the situation. But the unit is always $1. We want to know how much do we get for $1. And the symbol is grams per dollar or items per dollar. So then if we look at, well, how is a rate different from a ratio? A ratio compares similar things or similar units, height to height, volume to volume, milliliters to milliliters, etc. A rate compares things that have different units. Speed is distance and time. Distances can be in kilometers, time can be in hours. So we're changing units in our comparison. So 320 kilometers in 4 hours would be a rate because I'm comparing kilometers to hours. Unit rates are rates when one of the terms has been reduced to 1. So 320 kilometers in 4 hours is the same as 80 kilometers in 1 hour.